and welcome to all. You are going to see one of the great marshal of the Indian Air Force, Arjan Singh. He was the first chief of the Air Staff from 1964 to 1969. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1965, and also he became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. After having served the nation, and he became the ambassador to different countries. One can never forget his contribution during the 1965 war with Pakistan. At the age of 44, he led the war successfully, and he had flown 60 different types of aircraft at a time. Let's move into the lesson. On wings of courage, Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. You know, Marshal means highest rank in armed force. So Arjan Singh, he was the topper post in the Air Force, topper rank. He was an icon. Icon means symbol of India's military. So if he was always remembered by his work when war, at that time war was going on between 1965 India and Pakistan. At that time was very engaged, and he led a war very successfully. The only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal, Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Because here he was the only highest pilot, was ranked highest, and the Air Force equivalent means equal value. He got equal value to the Army 5-star. How many stars? 5 stars. Singh was fearless person. He never fear. And exceptional means extraordinary pilot. And flown, already he flown more than how many types? 60 different type of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally and the 4th biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the least. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kag. So here he was one of the most powerful persons. That potent means powerful. He had powerful Air Force. So globally he was ranked 4th number in the world. His contribution of Indian Air Force is monumental. Monumental means here great. And the IAF means Indian Air Force, was very strong because of him. Okay. And he was
epitome. It means he was an example of military leadership. And it is therefore not surprising. He was one of the amazing person. Because of him, everyone honored. Like for example, the former means here past, retired or ex also we can tell, the vice chief of IAF, Kapil Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam, Oromuzji, Framji, Jamshedji, Manekshaw and K.M. Kariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. So now here Arjan Singh was honored. When he was honored? On the Republic Day in 2002. Along with him, two more were honored. All Sam, Oromuzji, Framji, Jamshedji, Manekshaw and K.M. Kariappa. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. So, he was very important person. He was a fearless pilot. He never afraid of anything. And also he had profound, means very great knowledge about air. Because once we fly the plane means we should know about the air power. And also along with that radio waves. He knows everything. And Singh had assiduously means he was an hardworking person. Led the IAF means he knows everything how to lead the IAF. IAF means Indian Air Force in 1965. At that time, he was refused. He was even though the American support the Pakistani, they had a very well equipped, but even though we won the war, at that time he was standing alone to give us a victory. So because of that, Kak, he was said that he was one of the contribution because he lead perfectly. Arjan Singh lead perfectly everything. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written. Commending means praising role in the war because he was very well performed during the wartime. Marshal very well performed, Arjan Singh. So Y.B. Chavan, he not only said, he was written, defense minister had written, Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person. He was compared to a jewel and not a quite efficient and firm and unexcitable but a very able leader. What Y.B. Chavan said about him? He was a jewel and quite efficient. Efficient means working well and firm means unbeatable person. And unexcitable means enthusiastic. Unexcitable means enthusiastic but a very able leader. He was very well leader. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign. In 1944, what Marshal did? He led a squadron. What is the meaning of squadron? Means 12 to 24 aircraft to flown the air at a time. So he was at that time he was very well versed about to lead a squadron to fly the aircraft against where the Arakan campaign. Where it is in Arakan campaign? Okay, Japan is during the Myanmar. It is there in the Myanmar. So flying close to air support mission during the crucial Impal, and also he was flown his aircraft in Impal campaign, and later he was assisted, means he helped the advantage of the Allied. Allied means working together. Forces to Yangon. At a time he was three campaign he led. First one is Arakan campaign, second one Impal campaign in Manipur, and afterwards he was lead a Allied force in Yangon. Older name formerly means now it is known as Rangoon in Myanmar. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Now, in recognition means identification of his feat. Feat means skill. Because of his skill, in 1994, he had a very good skill. So, because of that, he was awarded on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. The first Indian pilot to have received, he was the first Indian pilot, he was received that award on the spot, DFC award. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force. Now he was selected where Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Force in England, Cranwell in 1938. Because this year 1930 is talking about before 1944 ward. He took a training where in Royal Air Force. Where it is Royal Air Force? In Cranwell it is in England. When he was 19 years old, at that time he has taken course, Royal Air Force course. At that time his old was 19 years, and he was retired from his service 1969. Dear children, note down all these years. Singh was born on 15th 1919 in Layalpur, now Farizabad, Pakistani, and completed his education at Montgomery. Now we are learning about his birth. Actually, he was born in 15th April 1919 in Layalpur, now Faizalabad, Pakistan, because in the olden time it was talking about 1919, before independence. India and Pakistan was at a time merged. So at that time he was in India only, but it is Pakistan also including in our country only. So at that time he is completed his education at where? Montgomery. Now the new name is Sahiwal. Montgomery, now it is called as Sahiwal, Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly first Westland Wapiti biplanes in the northwestern frontier province as a member of the number 1 RAF squadron. He has took his first training. He was fly a first flight where Westland Wapiti biplane, the oldest aircraft, where he was flown his aircraft in the northwest frontier province, and he was a member of RAF squadron. At that area he was flown his aircraft. After a brief stint with the newly formed number 2 RAF squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces. After a stint Stint means a short period of work. Again, within a short period of work, newly found RIAF squadron where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces. Again, he was flown in the second. Now, former he was did first squadron, and now he was. Yeah, already I explained what is the meaning of squadron. 12 to 24 flying flown aircraft at a time. So again he flew against the tribal forces. Now afterwards, he later moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer. After a few years later, he was joined again in the 1st squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1934. When he was joined back again the squadron as a flying officer course, he fly the plane Hawker Hurricane, and at that time he was promoted to the rank squadron leader. In which year? 1944. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC in 1944. Again, it was written the same. The top already we learned in the first paragraph of this page. Successfully led the squadron. So on the spot, he got the award, DFC award, in which year? 1944. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading. We got independent on 15th August 1947. At that time, we got an honor of leading the fly fast. Fly fast means ceremonial flight or an aircraft passing over the space. He got a chance to fly the aircraft on 15th August 1947 over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi, where he got a chance on 15th August 1947. He got a chance to fly the aircraft. How many? 100. Where? In Red Fort in Delhi. After his promotion to the rank of Wing Commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. After his promotion rank of Wing Commander, he got a promotion Wing Commander, where he was attend Royal Staff College. Royal Staff College at the UK, United Kingdom. It is in England. Immediately after independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of Group Captain in 1949. So after independence, he got where commanded Ambala. He was promoted to the rank of Air Commodore and took over as an air officer commanding of an operational command, because he was promoted. He got a promotion to the rank of Air Commodore. Commodore matlab vice means vice marshal, and took over air officer commanding AOC of an operational command, which later he came to be known as Western Air Command. He got a officer post there, air officer commanding. Afterwards, that only it came to be known as the new name Western Air Command. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC of an operational base. So Singh had distinction of having the longest tenure. He was in the air officer commanding in chief. In that post, he was in a longer tenure and in longer period. Okay, initially from 1949 to 1952. From which period? 1949 to 1952, 4 years, and then again from 1957 to 1961, again 4 years. We got a long continuation his job from for air officer commanding in chief. He got a, in that post he was in a longer durations. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as a, after his Air Vice Marshal, what he was got the post appointed as AOC. Air Officer Commanding in Chief. He was got the head. He became the head of an operational command. First he was jobbed, again he got, from that he got a promotion. Toward the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as a deputy chief of the air staff and he became the vice chief of the air staff in 1963. At the end of 1962 war, as soon as the war ends, he was appointed, because of him we got India got the victory. So he was appointed the deputy chief of the air staff and he became the vice chief of the air staff in the year 1963. He was overall commander of Joint Air Training Exercise. He was all over, like he was looking like all over air training exercise, where in Shiksha, held in IAF, RAF, IAF means Indian Air Force, RAF, Royal Air Force, and RAAF, Royal Australian Air Force. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force, Arjan Singh, took over reins of IAF. On 1st August, what he did, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, Air Force, Arjan Singh took over reins, means control of IAF. At a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. On 1st August 1964, he was the Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. He took over reins, means he was control the IAF. Because of him, at that time it was very weak, the IAF, Indian Air Force. Because of him, it was rebuilding. Again it was rebuilt and was gearing up, means getting ready to meet new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank. Singh was the first air chief. He was the air chief to keep up his flying currency, means skills. He was till the CAS rank, Chief of Air Staff. He was the first person that he was still keeping his name high, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II. And he was 60 different type of aircraft pre-World War II, before the Second World War. He was flown a different types of aircraft, biplanes, to the more contemporary gnats and vampires. He has also flown in transport. Not only that, for transportation we are using the aircraft like gnats and vampires, like we are telling jet, passenger aircraft, Air India, these are all the passenger aircraft. He flown passenger aircraft also before the Second World War. What are the planes' names? Gnats and vampires are like the super constellations. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Salam with an armed thrust targeted at the vital town of Aknoor. In 1965, Pakistan launched an operation where it was launched Grand Salam with an armed protected thrust targeted at the Pakistan people targeted the town Aknoor. At that time, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination and professional skill. When in 1965, the Pakistani attack targeted the town Aknoor. So Singh led at a time IAF, Indian Air Force, war with courage and determination and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory. So we, at that time 1965, India got a victory. At that time it was repeated again, despite the constraint means restriction imposed on the full scale use of Air Force combat power. So because of him, IAF got a victory and no restriction, full scale, full force. The Air Force are using at a full force because of him. He was well handling the Indian Air Force. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Because of his intelligent, talented, he got the award Padma Vibhushan for his astute means intelligent leadership, because he was one of the intelligent leader during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the war force contribution during the war, recognition means identification. Because of him identification in Air Force, he was contribution during the war. The rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjan Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Former he had a Chief CAS post. Now his post become upgraded. Upgraded Upgraded Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He become now Chief. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF. Till his retirement, he remained a flyer. Flyer means he was still taking a flight to the, till he was taking his flight to the space air. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases. He remained a flyer. Till his retirement, he was remained a flyer to the end of his tenure. Tenure means permanent employer. In IAF, he became an employer in a IAF till his retirement. Visiting forward bases and units and flying with the squadron. Till the retirement, he was flying the squadron. Squadron is already, it was explained. More craft to fly at a time. He retired in August 1969. In the year 1969, he retired. Thereupon, accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland, he was a Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. He retired in 1969. There afterwards, he was accepting the IS officer. Ambassador means the IS officer to Switzerland. And afterwards, he became the lieutenant means deputy or vice governor of Delhi. Become the governor of Delhi, a deputy governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. Having been a source of inspiration, he is one of the source of inspiration to us, to all the personnel of armed forces, to all the people, those who are in the armed force. He was an example, inspiration through the years. Okay, the government confirmed. Conferred means hand over the rank of the Marshal. He was the Marshal, Arjan Singh, we know that. And he was the only person that he received a 5-star rank. It is the highest rank in the Air Force. So he was received a highest rank officer till his retirement in the Indian Air Force. Thank you.